This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. So that one, which by the way, Ryan, so because I did this, and if you currently, at least right now with Claude, they have this. If you're on their max plan, and Ryan and I both are, and Ryan told me about the dispatch that now we have access to if you're on that plan. And what was funny was I was on it. I'm like, I don't see what you're talking about. And it turned out I had to update Claude. And when I finally updated Claude, then I saw it. And I can show you. Let me share my screen. So I'll show you. When you go into Claude, I show app. And then you go to Cowork. Over here, I have dispatch, right? Which, and I will bet at some point it'll be in Pro as well, probably. But now on my phone, I have the same thing. And so right before, Ryan, I was chatting with you right before, and I said, I'm going to go take a nap and get in the shower. But that was when I had this idea. So I used Dispatch to say, hey, is this a thing? Like, are there certain formats and files? So I used my phone to trigger Claude Cowork to go do this work for me. I mean, at first it didn't stick just to AI, and it's like, yeah, there is some sort of a pattern, but a lot of other ones. Actually, the SK stands for secret key, and from what this said, and it was from Stripe, is the one that had that naming convention. A lot of them borrow the SK beginnings. But then I said, okay, I want to have it where if they put in the wrong key, I can tell them. So it figured it out, looked at it, it wrote a regular expression for me, and it gave me that script here, which was weird, which is not clickable, even though it's on my computer, and it didn't not resolve. What's the right word? But anyway, I said, hey, I don't understand where the script is, and then it gave it to me. I did that back when I got to the computer. But
actually, I remember. You see this AIZASI, the one from Gemini? Do you remember when we were kind of like working with something from either Google or Facebook? I don't remember which. And we were looking at the traffic from the website. It was from Google. It was kind of like a public, it was a public key that we copied from the traffic. It started with that. And then it simply worked. We didn't have to create an API key. Do you remember that? That was a
I
long
do.
time.
That was YouTube. It was YouTube.
It was a
Yeah.
YouTube thing, right?
Yeah.
And
I remember now.
now that I see, it seems to me that they keep using that naming convention for them. Interesting. When I was looking at your screen, I started realizing, oh, that looks familiar. It's from
Funny.
that time. Wow.
Yeah, that was like 5 years ago.
Yes, that's a long time ago.
Yeah, I never looked at the code itself, so anyway, whatever. Not I wouldn't remember that, but I do remember we were doing YouTube. We were trying to extract, I think, subtitles or something. The title. We were getting the title in something else, and we found out, there's a standard one that actually was generic. It wasn't just us. Yeah.
I don't know why, but you see, like this type of shit I remember from 5 years ago. My wife tells me yesterday, look for something. I just forget. I don't know why. My brain is just like, I remember that I saw it and I was like, I know I've seen that.
Well, wives are like that. If you do something wrong, they'll remember that forever, like every little detail. Yeah.
That's right.
But so dispatch is supposed to be similar to like the OpenClaw and whatnot, right? In that you can use your phone for having Claude Code Cowork, apparently. I don't know why they stuck it into Cowork and not Claude Code, but whatever. To do things.
Sorry, Claude Code versus
Cowork.
Cowork
is the
yeah. I have been. I was trying to learn about Claude, kind of like the products that they have, and they decided to have these 3 different ways of working. I see them as ways of working. The chat, okay, code. So code is supposed to be kind of like an editor. So Claude Code, think of it as VS Code. It's just an editor. It's mainly online, but when you have it on your computer, it's kind of like an agent that you can connect to any editor. They made it really confusing. Claude Code in this context means the editor that when you click on it at the top where it says Claude Code, Like you can have a project in there with files and stuff, but if you download it, then it's not like that. It is just like an agent on your computer. Very weird. Now, Cowork, I don't really understand what Cowork is. It seems
I,
like a project where I can have files, but if you have it on your computer, it directly connects with Microsoft Word and other tools. It's kind of like a tool that connects with other tools.
I just say it's Claude code, but for non-technical people, and it has agents that
Okay.
go do stuff. Is how I think of it. But I understand what.
Wow. I really think it's really confusing. I
Yeah,
don't really understand it.
Um, just a couple of things on it. So yeah, I think Joe's kind of nailed it. It's so it will. So a couple of things about Cowork. I think you have to use if you have a um, you have to have a desktop version of Claude to use Cowork because and the reason for that is, as Joe says, the key thing is it controls your app, so it will interact with your local machine. And then Dispatch that Joe mentioned, if you have a paid any including the pro version, any paid version of Claude you can use this tool called Dispatch. And I think the simplest way to think of that is like being able to almost remote into your computer. So you don't have to be on the same network, I don't think. So Joe left his desktop and as long as your desktop is running, you can use this Dispatch. So you use the mobile Claude app and you can interact with basically your desktop Claude app and you control Cowork and Cowork. When you come back, the things that you typed on your phone, you'll see on your computer and it's synchronized and it will do actions for you. So it's like I like to think of it a little bit like a more secure and more sandboxed version of if you've heard of OpenCore. There's lots of great things about OpenCore, but the biggest big red flag that lots of people have is security. So this to me feels much more manageable. And I've enjoyed using it when I've gone to the shop or something. I've been able to carry on working because I can do things remotely. Like Joe's had inspiration whilst he was off having a nap before he goes to sleep. He can do something without being at his machine. So that's how I would. But it is confusing. I agree with Isaiah as well.
yeah, but I think it's where they're going in the long for non-developers. It's an entry level that allows people to do automation, that they could do. But that was what was funny to me. I was so afraid of using Claude Code because I thought I'd be doing everything for the command prompt. But in VS Code, like it feels just like you're having a chat. Like it's crazy how easy it is. I also and Ryan, when I updated Claude, so let me see if let's say when it now it wasn't doing this before, but in VS Code, when it finishes, now for me, I get this notification, which I wasn't getting before. And Ryan was like, I get these. I'm like, I wasn't getting those, but I think it was my version of Claude. Um, but let's see, I made this tool, which let me pull up the preferences. So I made an AHK script that will watch, and I can say, where do I want it? I want it in the center of which monitor. I can change the color of the notification. I can have it stay up until it's clicked, and I can have it play a sound and repeat it every X number of seconds. Let me hit test. So this is what it will do, right? As it save. Now let's see if it should work. Fine. Come on. Oh, I gotta click it. Oh, there we go. Save. Oh, that's interesting. I think it was exited. So tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this for anytime learning that fits your schedule. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.